Hi students, today we are going to learn subject science. In subject science, our first chapter is food. Our first chapter name food. We saw in previous period food, in food sources of food, components of food, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and sources of fat, sources of proteins. We see in previous lesson fat and protein, and today we are going to see here vitamins. Vitamins are organic substances present in small amount in many food. See, vitamins are substances, organic substances present in small amount in many food. In many food, proteins, vitamins are there in small amount. They are required for carrying out vital functions of the body. Vitamins required for carrying out vital functions of the body. Although they are needed in small amounts, they keep us healthy and protect from diseases. See, vitamins keep us healthy and protect from diseases. Many diseases there. Sources of vitamins. Where we get vitamins here? Animal sources. Meat, fish, oil, butter and milk. Where we get vitamins? Meat, fish, oil, butter and milk. And plant sources, fruits and vegetables. In fruits and vegetables we get vitamins. Functions of vitamins. See here, vitamin A in carrots help us to see and develops your eyesight. See, vitamin A in carrots, more amount A vitamin in carrots, and vitamin A helps us to see and develops your eyesight. And vitamin B in green leafy vegetables help our body to make protein and energy. Vitamin B in green leafy vegetables and that help us to our body make proteins and energy. And third, C, vitamin C in oranges help our body to heal if you get a cut. And vitamin D in milk help our bones to get strong. Vitamin D help our bones to get strong and that get in milk. See, interesting fact, there are 13 vitamins that your body need. Main of them are vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Each vitamin has specific job. How many vitamins are there? 13 vitamins are there. Now we see here minerals. A large number of minerals are present in the food we eat. A large number of minerals are present in the food we eat. We eat daily food. In that food, large number of minerals are there. Our body requires these minerals in small quantities, which are obtained from food. Some minerals are here: calcium, iron, potassium, phosphorus, sodium, etc. Calcium and phosphorus are essential for making bones and teeth. See, calcium and phosphorus are essential, atyavashyak, for making bones and teeth. Iron is necessary for the formation of hemoglobin. Deficiency of iron lead to anemia. Sources of minerals. Where we get minerals here, calcium rich minerals are almond milk and its products. Milk products, almond, in that milk, calcium rich, we get calcium. And some ions rich food are beetroot, spinach, apple, brinjal and carrot. In these vegetables we get minerals. And next, see water. Our body contains 50 to 70% of water. In our body there are 50 to 70% of water. Every vegetable contains water. It is an essential component of food that is needed in large quantities. It plays an important role in the body system. In our body system, water plays an important role, and in our body 50 to 70% of water is there. See, interesting fact. If a person does not drink right amount of water required by his body, he may get severely dehydrated. See, sources of water. Where we get water? See, we often water from drinks such as plain water. We drink plain water. When we thirsty, that time we drink water. That is called plain water. Fruit. We get water from fruit. Juice. Fruit juice, coffee, tea, and milk. In these items, in these things, we get water. See, we can also get water from vegetables and dry fruits. Okay, and roughage. The fibrous material of the fruits, vegetables, and other food which cannot be digested by the body is called roughage. See, roughage means what? See, in our body, fibers, minerals of the fruits, vegetables, and other food cannot be digested by the body. That is called roughage. It has no nutritive value. It prevents constipation and helps in the proper movement of the digested food in the intestines. Intestine means in our body, intestine means internal body part, that is internal body part, and in our body two types intestines are there, small and big. Sources of roughage: raw vegetables, fruits, mashed corn, coarse wheat, etc. are good source of roughage. See, food groups. Ideally, different type of food nutrients can be classified according to their functions into the following three categories. There are three categories are there from food. See, first one, in last standard we saw that energy giving food, carbohydrates and fats, and second one, body building food, proteins are there, and protective food, vitamins and minerals. There are three groups of food, three that divided by three categories. Now see, balanced diet. Balanced diet means what? A diet containing all the essential nutrients in correct quantities is known as a balanced diet. See, the diet containing in food containing all essential nutrients in correct quantity, that is called balanced diet. Okay, see here, balanced diet is necessary for the proper growth and functioning of the body. Balanced diet is necessary, that is necessary for the proper growth. A balanced diet has energy giving food, body building food and protective food in sufficient quantities. In balanced food, see, has energy giving food, body building food and protective food in sufficient quantity. Okay, and see, junk food. Junk food means what? See this picture. First, balanced diet. What is there? Fruits and vegetables, bread, other cereals and potatoes, meat, fish and alternatives, food containing fat, food containing sugar, and milk and daily food. This is a balanced diet. See, food of balanced diet. Next, see, junk foods. Junk foods, any food that has pure nutritional value and it high in fat or sugar is known as junk food. In junk food, poor nutritional value and high fat or sugar is there, that is called junk food. Junk food are easy to carry, purchase and consume. Junk foods are easy to carry, purchase and consume. See, junk food are empty calories. In that junk food, no calories is not there, and empty calories, lack in micronutrients such as vitamins, minerals and fibers but has high energy calories. Okay, in junk food there are no nutrients, vitamins, minerals and fibers. In that food has high energy, more high in fat or sugars. Okay, now see preservation of food. Now preservation of food, how we preserve foods here. If you take a piece of bread, wet it with a few drops of water and leave it outside for a few days, what do you think will happen? See, you take piece of bread and wet it with a few drops of water and leave it outside for few days. See what happens there. You will see thread like structures growing on the bread. The thread like structure are a type of mold. When food comes in contact with air and moisture, mold and germs begin to grow on it. These food are bad for our health and may cause food poisoning. See, when we taking one piece of bread and that keep outside, that time that bread structure growing on like thread, that is, these food are bad for our health and may cause food poisoning. We can preserve food for a long time by many techniques. We can preserve food for long time by many techniques. Which are they? See, method of food preservation. Boiling. By boiling food items like milk and water, we can kill the germs and preserve our food. Boiling is a good method of preservation, food preservation. By boiling food items like milk and water, we can kill the germs and preserve out our food. And next, see refrigeration and freezing. Refrigerating and freezing helps to preserve food for a longer time. In the fridge, we also use this refrigerator. In fridge, we keep our food for longer time. See here freezing picture. And next, canning. Storing cooked food in airtight cans is also an effective way of preserving food. Many food items such as jam, grams, vegetables, fish and even cooked food are canned and sold in the market. Canning. See, we store cooked food in airtight cans. Also effective way to preserving food. Many food items such as grams, vegetables, fish, even cooked food are canned and sold in the markets. We also use this method. And salting. Salt acts as a food preservative. Salt is added to chips and pickles. Salt adds a food preservation, food preservative. Okay, so add salt and keep that food. We added to chips and pickles. Okay, understood this lesson? In first our chapter food, we see many food items, many vitamins, minerals and three types of foods. Okay, see words to know food. Any substance that is used as a source of nourishment. Nutrients means any substance that can be metabolized by an animal to give energy and build tissues. Balanced diet, a diet that contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity. And junk food means food that tastes good but in high in calories, having little nutritional values. Okay, students, you have completed this periodic assessment and students, you have completed this periodic assessment. Okay, Thank you.